This Amazon Echo Show 5 3rd Gen is a compact smart display that integrates Alexa, making it a versatile addition to any smart home setup. With its 5.5-inch touchscreen, it serves multiple functions, from managing daily tasks and displaying recipes to playing music and facilitating video calls. Available in several colors, including charcoal, this device is designed to fit seamlessly into your living space, whether on a nightstand or a desk. While it excels in providing basic smart home controls and information, it does have some limitations in terms of video streaming options and overall user experience compared to competitors like Google's Nest Hub. The Amazon Echo Show 5 3rd Gen is a versatile smart display that enhances your daily life in numerous ways. 1. Video calling. Make hands-free video calls to family and friends. 2. Home Security Hub. Monitor live feeds from compatible security cameras. 3. Recipe Assistant. Get step-by-step cooking instructions without touching the screen. 4. Digital Photo Frame. Display a rotating gallery of your favorite photos. 5. Entertainment Streaming. Listen to music, podcasts, and watch videos from various platforms. 6. Smart Home Control. Manage compatible devices like lights and thermostats with voice commands. 7. Karaoke Machine. Sing along to songs with lyrics displayed on the screen. 8. Intercom System. Use drop-in to communicate with other Echo devices at home. 9. Timers and reminders. Set timers and reminders displayed on the screen for easy reference. 10. Information Hub. Ask Alexa for weather, news, or your daily schedule. In short, the Echo Show 5 is a multifunctional device that combines connectivity, security, and entertainment, making it an essential addition to any smart home. Why the Echo Show 5 adjustable stand is a must-have? The adjustable stand with USB-C charging port offers more than just a place to hold your Echo Show 5. Let's break down its features and benefits to show why it's worth every penny. 1. Versatile USB-C charging port. Gone are the days of fumbling for extra outlets. The 7.5V USB-C charging port on this stand allows you to charge smartphones, earbuds, and other gadgets while using your Echo Show 5. Efficiency. Charge multiple devices simultaneously. Convenience. No need to sacrifice functionality for charging. 2. Adjustable viewing angle. Say goodbye to awkward viewing angles. With its easy tilt adjustment, the stand lets you position your Echo Show 5 at the perfect angle. Improved comfort. Ideal for video calls, recipes, or watching content. Customizable setup. Easily tilt forward or backward to suit your needs. 3. Quick and secure magnetic attachment. The magnetic base ensures your Echo Show 5 securely attaches to the stand without hassle. This feature offers both stability and simplicity. Snap your device into place in seconds. Secure design. No slipping or wobbling, even on uneven surfaces. 4. Sustainability at its core. Amazon continues its commitment to eco-friendly products. This stand is made with 44% recycled materials, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Eco-friendly. Contribute to a greener planet with this sustainable design. Durable build. Built to last, reducing waste over time. 5. Seamless integration. The stand is color-matched with the Echo Show 5, blending effortlessly into any setting. Whether in your kitchen, bedroom, or living room, it enhances your smart device's aesthetic without looking out of place. 6. Value for money. While the Echo Show 5 3rd Generation and charging cable are sold separately, the stand's affordable price point makes it a worthwhile addition. It enhances your device's functionality without breaking the bank. Who should buy this stand? This stand is ideal for anyone who owns the Echo Show 5 3rd Generation and wants to elevate their smart device experience. Whether you're a multitasking parent, a professional working from home, or someone who loves smart home gadgets, this stand adds unmatched convenience to your life. Conclusion. This Echo Show 5 3rd Generation adjustable stand with USB-C charging port is more than just an accessory, it's a necessity for enhancing your Echo Show 5 experience. From its convenient charging port to its adjustable viewing angles and eco-friendly design, this stand offers incredible value. If you're looking to maximize the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your smart device, this stand is the perfect solution. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this smart investment today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.